I'm Kriti Tiwari, a watercolor artist and educator. I'm so glad to welcome you to this class. I have been painting for over 6 years now, and while most of my work revolves around wildlife and realism, this class is something I'm deeply love. Mastering the wet on wet technique through simple expressive landscape. Whether you are a beginner or a hobbyist looking up to level your skill, this class will help you understand how to control water, blend colors beautifully, and bring that softness into your work. All this using the wet on wet approach. We will start with essential building exercises like blending practices, then we'll move on to common mistakes that beginner do in the watercolor journey and how to avoid them. After that, we'll explore a series of small landscape painting like sunsets, seascapes, misty forests, and starry skies to help you practice and grow with confidence. So grab your brushes, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of soft edges, glowing skies, and atmospheric beauty, one wash at a time.